Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Pixma 240xl Black Ink Cartridge is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for anyone relying on their printer for daily tasks, whether it's printing important documents for work, vibrant photos for personal projects, or even study materials for school. This particular cartridge promises a generous yield and sharp, consistent black text, aiming to provide a reliable and cost-effective solution for your printing needs, ensuring that your printer continues to perform at its peak without interruption. Number 5. PG 240xl 240xl Black Ink Cartridge. Get more out of your printer with our high-yield black ink cartridges. They are designed to provide an impressive output of up to 630 pages per cartridge, ensuring you can print more without frequent replacements. These cartridges are designed for seamless integration with a wide range of Canon Pixma and MX series printers. Enjoy a hassle-free printing experience with guaranteed compatibility. Equipped with the latest smart chips, our cartridges ensure quick and accurate recognition by your printer. You can easily monitor ink levels, providing a worry-free and efficient printing process. Experience premium print quality while being kind to the environment. Our cartridges are made from recycled OEM cartridges and high-quality, harmless materials, protecting both your printer and the planet. Each package contains 2 PG 240xl Black Ink cartridges and a comprehensive user guide. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. Our cartridges are rigorously tested and restored to deliver consistent, high-quality prints. Trust them for all your important documents and photos. What we like. This option offers an impressive page yield, making it ideal for high-volume printing needs. It's also an eco-friendly choice, as it's made from recycled materials. If you're looking for a sustainable and cost-effective solution for frequent printing, this is a great pick. What people say. The ink cartridge was easy to install and the print quality was excellent. This ink cartridge produced crisp, clear text and vibrant images. The XL size means it lasts much longer than standard cartridges, which is great for high-volume printing. Number 4. PG 240xl CL 241xl High-Yield Ink Cartridges, 2-pack. Introducing our high-yield ink cartridges, designed to keep your printer running smoothly. Get more pages with every cartridge. These cartridges offer perfect compatibility with a wide range of Canon Pixma and MX series printers. Enjoy seamless integration and reliable performance. Experience crisp, sharp text for all your documents and vibrant, true-to-life colors for your photos. They are perfect for all your printing needs. Equipped with the latest smart chip, these cartridges ensure accurate ink level tracking and full compatibility with your printer system. The black cartridge yields up to 600 pages, and the color cartridge yields up to 400 pages. This means fewer replacements and more printing. This combo pack includes one PG 240xl Black Ink cartridge and one CL 241xl color ink cartridge. Everything you need for excellent print quality. What we like. This combo pack provides both black and color ink, perfect for users who need to print documents and photos. The black cartridge offers a high page yield, ensuring you won't run out of ink quickly. If you're a home user who prints a variety of materials, this versatile option is a solid choice. What people say. The ink cartridge works perfectly with my Canon Pixma 240xl printer. The print quality is excellent, producing sharp and clear text. The installation was straightforward and hassle-free. Number 3. 240xl Black Ink Cartridge Replacement for Canon. Experience crisp, clean, and vibrant prints with our high-quality black ink cartridges. They are designed for precision and deliver sharp text and true-to-life images every time. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of Canon Pixma and MX series printers, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. Equipped with smart chips, you can easily monitor and track your ink levels, so you're never caught off guard. Get more done with an estimated page yield of up to 650 pages per cartridge. This means fewer replacements and more printing. Each cartridge has undergone strict inspections to ensure perfect compatibility and excellent print performance. You can rely on consistent, high-quality results. If you encounter any issues, simple troubleshooting steps like cleaning contacts or restarting your printer can help resolve them quickly. What we like. Boasting the highest estimated page yield among the Black Ink options, this cartridge is built for maximum output. Its precision-engineered print heads ensure crisp text and vibrant images. If you prioritize longevity and print quality for documents and graphics, this is the one to consider. What people say. This cartridge is a genuine Canon product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with my Canon printer. The XL size means it holds more ink than standard cartridges, providing a longer lifespan and reducing the frequency of replacements. Print quality is excellent, producing sharp text and vibrant images for both documents and photos. Number 2. Inktopia Remanufactured Ink Cartridges PG 240xl CL 241xl. Get more pages for less with our high-yield remanufactured ink cartridges. Enjoy up to 630 pages in black and 560 pages in color, ensuring you can print more without frequent replacements. Designed for a wide range of Pixma and MX series printers, these cartridges offer a perfect fit. Simply install them and get back to printing without any hassle. Our cartridges feature the latest smart chip technology. This ensures they are quickly recognized by your printer and accurately display the remaining ink levels. This combo pack includes one black PG 240xl and one tricolor CL 241xl cartridge. It's everything you need to keep your printer running smoothly for both documents and photos. Experience consistent and reliable printing performance with our remanufactured ink. They are a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. These cartridges are designed to work seamlessly with your compatible printer models. Enjoy hassle-free installation and immediate use. What we like. This remanufactured combo pack offers both black and color ink, providing a complete solution for your printing needs. It delivers a high page yield for both cartridges. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to get both black and color ink with reliable performance, this is a smart choice. What people say. This cartridge is a good value for the price. The ink quality is excellent and the print is sharp. Easy to install and works perfectly with my Canon printer. Number 1. Canon PG 240xl Genuine Black Ink Cartridge. Ensure your documents are sharp and your photos are beautiful. This genuine ink is designed to last a lifetime, preserving your memories. Our fine technology, or full photolithography inkjet nozzle engineering, delivers exceptional print quality. Experience the difference it makes in every print. Get more from your printer with genuine Canon ink. You'll gain free access to exciting exclusive content through Creative Park Premium. For the best possible printing experience, we recommend using genuine Canon ink. It's engineered to work perfectly with your Canon printer. This is a genuine black ink cartridge, specifically designed for compatibility with a range of Canon printer models. Get reliable performance every time. What we like. As a genuine Canon product, this ink cartridge guarantees optimal performance and longevity for your Canon printer. It utilizes fine technology for exceptional print quality. If you prioritize the best possible print results and want to ensure your printer's longevity, choosing this genuine option is recommended. What people say. The ink cartridge is a genuine Canon product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with Canon printers. This high-yield cartridge offers a greater number of printed pages compared to standard cartridges, making it a cost-effective choice for frequent printing. The ink quality is excellent, producing sharp, clear text and vibrant images with consistent results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.